Yeah, baby, you.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the cucumber you added usually. Looks like it, huh? Cucumber is crunchy. I like it.
The seeds is the seeds is actually a bit crunchy.
And orange, 2 avocado, watermelon, 1 big cucumber.
No, I don't know. We should use all the tomato. That's a lot of vitamins. Oh, maybe we can eat some salad.
Yeah, they want.
Oh my goodness, look at this amount of orange juice here. This is fresh orange juice.
You should put it in there.
Okay.
Some black
Put an avocado. There has to be an easy way of opening this.
You can put mayonnaise into it. What are you gonna put?
No.
Vinegar.
Just I think you can just put the olive oil in.
Oh yeah, olive oil. So many things. These avocado. We'll get that tomorrow. We'll put it in the fridge. We'll put it in the fridge but I think it was that black.
No. That's why we put some olive oil there. Olive oil is going to help preserve it.
Squid it. You can put a squid right in there too. You can eat it.
No, this is not going to look so good.
It doesn't have to look good. You eat it. It doesn't look so
It
good.
has to be nice to be appetizing. Okay, let's squeeze one more.
Orange juice.
Citrus acid. Okay. And now I'm gonna dice these leaves. Okay. So that's and then I put some olive oil because it's all the way to the back there. Okay.
Your face now.
Oh no.
Oh, okay, well, I add it now. Is it? It's yummy, healthy. That's it? I thought your brother put some mayos, I think.
No,
It looks white.
oh, it's not it's a
Oh, so
natural
healthy.
one. Okay.
Okay, so small.
We just tried.